Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. Today we are going to discuss about hematopoiesis. Some of the important questions are there. Hurry, join Laboratory Technician Grade 2 coaching at Biology Tutor. Like, share and subscribe our channel Biology Tutor to get updated videos. First question, which is the earliest site of hematopoiesis in the embryo? Which is the earliest site of hematopoiesis in the embryo? Answer is yolk sac. Yolk sac. Hair cells, corpuscles are found in. I repeat the questions. Hair cells, corpuscles are found in thymus. They serve as a dispersal system for dying thymocytes. Answer is thymus. Next question. Most abundant granulocytes in human blood are. Most abundant granulocytes in human blood are neutrophils. Answer is neutrophils. Next question. Types of leukocytes by the presence of S-shaped nucleus or S-shaped nucleus is found in which type of leukocytes? Here answer is basophils. Answer is basophils. Next question. Erythropoietin is produced and released into the blood by. Erythropoietin is produced and released into the blood by kidneys. By kidneys in response to low blood oxygen levels or hypoxemia. Next question. In fetus, formation of erythrocytes takes place in. I repeat the question. In fetus, formation of erythrocytes takes place in liver and spleen. Answer liver and spleen. In young and adult, red blood cells or erythrocytes formation occurs in. I repeat the question. In young and adult, red blood cells formation occurs in bone marrow. Answer is bone marrow. Next question. The normal sequence of blood cell development is. It is very important. Repeatedly asked for different exams. You should remember this particular question for your exams. The normal sequence of blood cell development is rubriblast, prorubricite, rubricite, metarubricite and erythrocyte. For exams, they may ask pronormoblast instead of asking rubriblast or proerythroblast. Instead of asking basophilic normoblast, they may ask prorubricite basophilic erythroblast. Like polychromatic normoblast, it is also known as rubricite polychromatic erythroblast. Orthochromic normoblast is also known as metarubricite orthochromatic erythroblast. Reticulocytes is also known as polychromatic erythrocyte diffusely basophilic erythrocyte. Erythrocytes are also known as discocytes. You should learn each and every word in this slide for your exams. Dash are red blood cells that under a microscope look like kissing lips or coffee beans. Dash red blood cells are showing structure of kissing lips or coffee beans. Stomatocytes, they are known as stomatocytes. Dash types of erythrocytes have two concavities. Normal RBCs have a single concave shape. Here it is bifurcated and it has two concavities instead of one seen with normal erythrocytes that are known as nisocytes. Nisocytes are commonly seen in DASH patients. Nisocytes are commonly seen in thalassemia patients. Answer is thalassemia. Megakaryocytes give rise to DASH. Megakaryocytes give rise to thrombocytes or platelets. DASH are the smallest type of leukocytes. Lymphocytes. Large lymphocytes and small lymphocytes are there. Small lymphocytes are the smallest type of leukocytes. DASH was the first person to observe red blood cells under microscope. Which person observed RBC under a microscope for the first time? Dutch naturalist Jan Swammerdam. His name is Jan Swammerdam, who observed read RBCs under a microscope for the first time? Father of hematology. Who is the father of hematology? William Hewson. William Hewson is known as the father of hematology. Father of modern hematology. Who is the father of modern hematology? Donald Metcalf. Donald Metcalf is known as the father of modern hematology. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get updated videos from Biology Tutor. All the best for your exam.